is bringing back a fan-favorite colorway just in time for Holiday 2025. Originally launched in 2020 ahead of the Tokyo Olympics, the Air Jordan 1 Low White and Metallic Gold made a return in fall 2024 and is now set for another restock. Known for its clean and luxurious look, the sneaker features a full tumbled white leather upper, complemented by a matching tongue, laces, liner, and rubber sole. Subtle hits of metallic gold elevate the design, highlighting the tongue tag, swooshes, and the heel's wings logo for a touch of refined shine. Though initially tied to the Olympic Games, the shoe's versatile palette and premium feel have made it a timeless staple. With 3 releases over 6 years, the Air Jordan 1 Low White and Metallic Gold continues to stand out as a sleek and stylish option. As of now, Jordan Brand has not announced an official restock date,